Hi, I'm Keith. Today, I will introduce the square method to you all. Now, some of you might be wondering just what exactly is complete the square method. That's why I'm here to explain to you all. So, complete the square method is a method to solve quadratic equations other than using the factorization method. I'll explain it by writing the method. This is a quadratic equation which we are going to solve. From this quadratic equation, we can get another equation which is ax squared plus bx is equal to negative c. This is a perfect square equation. We are going to use this perfect square equation to help us in finding the values of x. So how does this perfect square equation is going to help us? Well, what we can do is we are going to change this equation into a perfect square equation. Here is how we are going to do it. First, we are going to add b squared to each side. Next, since we know that big B is equal to 2ab, that means B has to be big B divided by 2a. So we can replace the B with big B divided by 2a. Oh, by the way, the value a must be 1 in order to let the method work. Since 1 multiplied by x squared is 2x squared, we will just write it down as x squared. Big Bx is still the same, while b is replaced by big B divided by 2a. Same goes for the other side. Now you might notice how we can factor a by using the perfect square equation, since the value in this equation have the same ratio with the perfect square equation. We will replace x into a and big B divided by 2a into b. Now that will bring us x plus b divided by 2a with the power of 2 is equal to negative c plus b divided by 2a with the power of 2. We can factor it further by square root. So we will remove the square on the left side and add root on the right side. Since it is a root, there will be two answers, one in negative and one in positive. We will put a plus minus symbol to note it. Lastly, we can move big B divided by 2a from the left side to the right side, and that will give us x is equal to plus minus of root negative c plus big B divided by 2a with the power of 2 minus big B divided by 2a. I know it might be confusing by just showing the algebra, so I will show you the examples in the following slide. Here is an example of solving a quadratic equation with complete the square method. We have the quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. By that, we can get another equation, which is x squared plus 4x equal to 7. Now, we have to make this equation into the perfect square. Remember we added b squared into both sides, but b is big B divided by 2a. Now big B here is 4, while a is 1, which means b is equal to 4 divided by 2, and the equation would be x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by 2 with the power of 2 is equal to 7 plus 4 divided by 2 with the power of 2, which equals x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared is equal to 7 plus 2 squared. We can factor it by the perfect square equation, which will bring us x plus 2 with the power of 2 is equal to 7 plus 4, which is 11. Next, we will remove the square on the left side and we will add a root to the right side. Since it is a root, we will have two answers, one positive and one negative. We will have to put a plus minus sign before the root sign to note that root 11 is equal to plus minus sign 3.371. That means x is equal to plus minus sign 3.317 minus 2. X can be 3.317 minus 2, which equals to 1.317, or it could also be negative 3.317 minus 2, which is negative 5.317. Next, we have another example, negative 3x squared plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. In order for complete the square method to work, the value of a will have to be 1. In this case, we will divide negative 3 into the other numbers as well. This will give us x squared minus 6 divided by 3x plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 0. We can get another equation from this, which is x squared minus 2x is equal to negative 1 divided by 3. Since big B here is 2, we will add a 2 divided by 2 with a power of 2 to both sides. From that, we will get x squared minus 2x minus 1 squared, which equals negative 1 divided by 3 plus 1 squared. We can factorize the left side using the perfect square equation, and it will bring us x minus 1 with the power of 2 equals negative 1 divided by 3 plus 1, which will bring us 2 divided by 3. Next, we will remove the power of 2 from the left side and add the square root to the right side. Since it is a root, there will be two answers, one negative and one positive. We will have to note it with the plus minus symbol. By that, we will get x minus 1 is equal to plus minus sign 0.817, which means x is equal to plus minus sign 0.17 plus 1. From that, we can have two different answers from x. First, x can be negative 0.817 plus 1, which equals to 0.183, or x can be equal to 0.817 plus 1, which equals to 1.817. That's all for complete the square method. I hope this video had helped you somehow. I'm Keith, a 16 years old Malaysian student. I upload videos every 10 days, and I wish all of you good luck in your life. If you think this video had helped you, I hope you can like my video and share it to your friends. It helped my channel to grow and might also help your friends in some way. Thank you.